I know. You've been trying to draw eyes for a very long time now, and you haven't found beneficial or good videos that can help you to advance your eye drawing skills. On today's video, I'm going to help you guys to actually improve, teach you techniques that actually work in the real world, and actually when you apply them, they can really give you an advantage in drawing eyes and making it easier and simpler for you. These are the tools I'm using: HB pencil, 2H pencil, 2B pencil, 4B pencil, 6B and 8B pencil, as well as an eraser pen and a brush tool. However, you can also use any pencil of your choice. These pencils are good because they offer a variety of different shades of light and dark. Firstly, using an HB pencil, draw a cross section to divide the eye. Then draw a circle and slightly erase the pencil. It doesn't have to be perfect, just believable to form the eyeball. Draw an oval shape, cutting the eyeball into a visible eye. Begin forming the shape of the eye and draw another oval line above to form an eye wrinkle. Then slightly erase the pencil. Using a 2B pencil, shade the eye wrinkle, applying medium pressure. Use a 2H pencil to shade the outer side of the eye. Gradually apply more and more pressure to create different skin shades of tones. Use a brush or cotton to blend the shades until they appear smooth. Use an eraser pen to divide the skin from the eye color. Using a 2H pencil, shade the upper part of the eye. Apply medium pressure to create shade. Use a brush to blend the shades, creating a subtle gradient texture. Use an eraser again to separate the shades. Now, using an 8B pencil, begin to apply darker shading on the eye wrinkle and use a brush to blend them. Proceed to blend the skin where applicable. Use the eraser to erase the cross line and blend them. Using an 8B pencil, draw a shade at the lower part of the eye to create a separation of the skin and the eye. Then blend them effectively. Continue to add shade until you get the desired results and blend them. Apply more and more pressure using an 8B pencil on the eyelash area and blend the shades. Using an eraser pen, add a subtle highlight to create dimension to the lower skin of the eye and blend the shades. Use a 4B pencil to shade the corner side of the eye that connects the eye to the skin, then apply blend. Use an HB or 2H pencil to draw string-like structures, applying light pressure to draw the eye veins and slightly blend them with a brush. Using a 4B pencil, draw the iris and apply shade. Apply more pressure at the upper part and a medium pressure at the lower part. Then draw the pupil and shade it using more pressure. Using an 8B pencil, shade over the pencil and add layers by increasing the pressure. Blend the shades until they appear smooth. Now use the eraser pen to add sharp highlights on the iris. Proceed by adding smaller highlights. Once you are done, proceed to add iris texture and details. Use a brush to blend the details lightly. Using an 8B pencil, add more shade to create contrast and depth to the iris and blend them until you are satisfied with the results. Do the same thing for the pupil. Use an eraser pen to draw a tear and use a 2B pencil to draw a shade. Blend the shades by applying less pressure until it is smooth and realistic. As you can see, the eye is now coming to life and becoming more and more realistic. Using an eraser pen, add lighter shades at the edge of the tear and gradually apply less pressure. Finally, blend the shades. Using an 8B pencil, add a subtle shade to the right side of the tear and blend them. Use a brush to add depth to the eye. Refine the shades where applicable using an 8B pencil. Continue to shade until you are happy with the results. Use the eraser pencil to add small highlights and details like swirls and skin texture. Blend the shade lightly. Use 4B and eraser pencil to add more skin wrinkles and textures. Finally, blend them until they blend with the skin. Repeat this step until you are satisfied with the results. Use an 8B pencil to draw eyebrows. The lower eyebrows are fewer and shorter than the upper ones. Continue to apply depth and add as many eyebrows as possible by drawing oval-like strands around the eye. Finally, add missing details, shades until you are happy with the results, and voila, a realistic eye is complete. If you found this video very helpful, consider liking, sharing and subscribing, and I'll see you guys on the next one.